Now we're going to talk about how to twist off some basic balloon animal bubbles, which is the essence of making creations. There are several steps. One is the actual twisting off of the bubble. Two, how do you keep several bubbles in a row without them unraveling? And finally, how to lock all those bubbles together so that you can move on to different segments of the balloon and prevent those from unraveling. Well, let's first start by inflating a balloon. Now what I'm going to do is a basic teddy bear head to get going, which is going to be 6 bubbles. First, I'm going to pinch off approximately a ½ inch with my right hand, and then with my left hand, I'm just going to simply twist the balloon away from me. Now, in order to twist off the next bubble, I'm going to need to continually maintain pressure on this first bubble and the rest of the balloon. If I don't, what's going to happen is it's going to basically unravel. So let's start again. I'll take a ½ inch twist off, and I'm going to do 6 of these. So I contain pressure here on the first ½ inch, the second ½ inch, the third ½ inch, together because I always maintain pressure on that first ½ inch, the fourth ½ inch, the fifth ½ inch, and the sixth ½ inch. Now, I now have 6 bubbles that are roughly ½ inch each. Now, they don't have to be exactly a ½ inch. There's no perfection here. It's just a rough estimate. Now I'm going to take the second bubble and the 6th bubble and take the base of the second bubble and the top of the 6th bubble, put them together and twist that around, and that is going to lock all 6 bubbles in place, which will allow me to continue to work with the balloon.